Understanding Best Practice, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in the English language. Best practice. This term is widely used in various professional and academic fields, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English proficiency. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of best practice. Best practice refers to a method or technique that has been generally accepted as superior to any alternatives because it produces results that are superior to those achieved by other means. This term is often used in business, education, and healthcare sectors, implying that there is a consensus on the most effective way to do something. A key aspect of best practice is that it is based on repeated, proven successes and not just theory. To better understand best practice, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, a company might establish a best practice for customer service, ensuring that all employees follow a specific procedure to enhance customer satisfaction. 2. In education, teachers might follow best practices for teaching a concept, using techniques that have been shown to improve student understanding and engagement. 3. In healthcare, hospitals often have best practices for patient care to ensure safety and effectiveness. These examples show that best practices are about applying the most effective and efficient methods to achieve a desired outcome. Understanding and applying best practices is crucial because 1. It leads to superior results and efficiency. 2. It ensures a consistent approach to solving problems or performing tasks. 3. It can be a benchmark for measuring performance. Knowing about best practices in your field can significantly enhance your professional skills and understanding. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, best practice. Remember, it's all about using the most effective and efficient methods to achieve the best results. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to apply best practices in your learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!